afternoon, y'all. I am out on a beautiful trail in northeastern Washington, and it was a total surprise. I was just feeling a little cooped up down at the truck and decided I needed to get out for a hike. Found this on the map. It didn't look that special. There weren't any reviews. It wasn't on a list or anything, but I decided to go for it, and man, have I been rewarded. There are tons of waterfalls all up and down this canyon. Wildflowers everywhere, seriously, more wildflowers than I've ever seen in my life, and just some epic views too. So I've been doing a lot of gear heavy stuff lately, and don't worry, I will continue to do that. I just felt like it was nice to have some change though, and maybe to remind folks why we're doing this in the first place. For me, it is the moments like this to be able to stay in a place long enough to get to know it, to go out and explore. We're really lucky to have access to such beautiful natural areas in this country, and I don't want to take that for granted. It didn't take four-wheel drive. It didn't take a fancy rig to get here. I could have done this with a backpack and a tent, you know? So it's here for you if you want it. And yeah, that's your daily reminder to play outside. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.